Hello again, welcome back to Between the Keys. I'm going to teach you how to play Dirty Diana by Michael Jackson on the piano. Here we go. Just need those three chords really. Obviously there's a few more in there, but it's in G minor. That first chord I played was G minor. You can also play G minor 7. I'm in my new apartment now in this big office. It's a little bit echoey. I apologise about that sound. Might put some sound panel things on the wall. But anyway, G minor or G minor 7. G, B flat, D and either G or F on top. And the next one is E flat major, followed by F major. So, E flat, F, G minor. And I'm just arpeggiating down. But if you just want to play it straight, it would be G minor. You could just play it as G minor with 3 notes, and then E flat, F, G minor, 2, 3, and bum, 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 bum. And we try and sing along now. You'll never make me stay, so take your weight off of me. I know your every move, so won't you just let me be? I've been here times before, but I was too blind to see that you seduce every man. This time you won't seduce me. She's saying that's okay. Hey baby, do what you please. I am the stuff that you want. I am the thing that you need. What is the next one? I'm the thing that you need. She looked me deep in the eyes. She's touching me so to stop. And here's where it changes, right? We're at the end of that first verse. It goes to A7. She says there's no turning back. G-A is the melody. She says there's no turning back. She's trapped me in her heart. Let me go to D or D7. So A7. She says there's no turning back. She's trapped me in her heart. B flat C is the melody. She's trapped me in her heart. She says there's no turning back. She's trapped me in her heart. Dirty Diana. No. And it's the same chords for the chorus. Dirty Diana. No. Dirty Diana. We go 4 times. Dirty Diana. Let me be. And then at the end of the chorus, we could just play F, let me be, or we could go E flat to F, let me be. I think just F, let me be, is singular. So the chorus again, we'll go from the end of the verse into the chorus. She looked me deep in the eyes, she's touching me to stop. She says there's no turning back, she's trapped me in her heart. Dirty Diana, no. Dirty Diana, no. Dirty Diana. Into the instrumental. I'm going to pause there. We've already done verse and chorus. We're now in the instrumental section, which just goes around that G minor to E flat to F 4 more times. And this is a good point to tell you about the guitar part and the groove of the song. So you could just play straight. That's fine. But the guitar is playing. It's offbeat. It's actually that's 1. The first time. The second time he goes. I'll try and demonstrate now. See, one is like a long pause, and the second one is very quickly, the same as the E flat. He comes in very specifically with that guitar chord on the G minor. And one and one and boom jacka boom jacka one and jacka jacka. Try and sing along to that if you can. I know it makes you look a little bit silly to sit there going jagga but that's the rhythm. Alright, now we're going to go verse 2 and play again. G flat, I keep saying G flat, G minor to E flat to F. She likes the boys in the band, she knows when they come to town. Every musician's fan after the curtain comes down. And backstage doors for those who have prestige. Promise fortune and fame, a life that's so carefree. She said that's okay, hey baby, do what you want. I'll be at nightclub and fame, I'll be free, you can talk. And I don't care what you say, I wanna go too far. I'll be your everything, and if you make me a star, be your everything. Was it? I'll be your everything. If you make me a star. Alright, listen to the chorus again. Dirty Diana, no. Dirty Diana, no. Dirty Diana, let me be. But actually, after that, on the second chorus, it goes around twice as long. So we did 4 times, we should have done 8 times. So it's dirty Diana, no. Dirty Diana, no. Dirty Diana, that's 3. Dirty Diana, dirty Diana, no. Dirty Diana, no. Dirty Diana, no. That was 7, I think. Dirty Diana. We go around the intro chords, those 4 chords, instrumental, again 4 times, before we go into the third verse, which is, she said I have to go home because I'm tired, you see. And you could change up if he was playing this as a soloist, like I one day might be, or maybe, we'll see. I'm applying for another cruise job on a cruise ship as a singing pianist, as a soloist this time, without a band, so on my own. I could do this. That's my new motto for life. I can do that. So she said, I have to go home. You could change up, I was going to say, like the way you play the verses in the chorus. You could play it straight. You could play ballady like that. What about a jazz version with minor 9s? Almost don't hit a B natural on a G minor. I meant to hit the 9. Loads of ways you can do it. If you do it funky, let's try Rhodes. Anyway, however you want to play it, whatever you want to do with the groove and the feel, you got to play that third verse, man. She said I have to go home because I'm tired, you see. And I hate sleeping alone, but don't you come with me? I said my baby's at home, she's probably worried tonight. I didn't call on the phone to say that I'm alright. Dinah walked up to me, she said I'm all yours tonight. I ran to the phone, said baby I'm alright. I said but I'm like Diana, no. Dirty Diana, no. Dirty Diana, no. Dirty Diana. Dirty Diana. Again, 8 times. And once you've done 8 times of Dirty Diana there, you've got a last 4 times more at the end with Come On. Oh, come on. Come on. See if you can sing the octave up. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. As many times as you like, really, for the outro. But that's Dirty Diana. You just need those 3 chords, G minor, F, and E flat, not in that order. And you also need A7, that's dominant 7. You could play A minor 7, but it would be wrong. It's D7. I tried A minor 7, that's what it said on one of the links, and I didn't like that. I thought it was wrong, so I'm going to say it's A dominant 7, which would be that A, C sharp, E, and G, putting the G at the bottom and playing it there. D7, I think I was playing it just root position, but you could play or. That's Dirty Diana, Michael Jackson. Plenty more songs to come. Let me know which songs you'd like in the comments below. And if you liked and enjoyed the video, click like and subscribe. I'll leave a link to this piano that I'm using that you can't see. It's down here. It's a white one, Roland FP-30X, a very fantastic piano that I like. So yeah, check that out on Amazon. If you are looking to buy your first piano, I recommend this one. All right, see you next time in the next video on Between the Keys. Bye for now.